Excuse me. Young man, come here for a second. Do you know where Elm Street is? You see, what happened was I lost my puppy dog.
Adults don't need help from kids. If someone stops you, don't get close enough to their car for them to grab you.
Someone said that they saw him down on Elm Street. Maybe you could help me.
That's great, but this time scream and then yell, help me, this man is trying to take me.
This is something you can practice at home with people you trust. So if you ever really need to do it, you're already good at it.